Thanks for hanging with me. I'm Mr. Herman. Today's nibble is all about how machines learn. Are we ready to learn? Let's go. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain how machines learn from data and examples. And you'll be able to share at least one real-world example of machine learning in action. So, our big question today is, how can a machine learn without being taught step by step? Keep this in your mind. We'll come back to it at the end. Machine learning is when we teach computers by showing them examples instead of writing out every single rule. Think about how you learned the lyrics to your favorite song. You probably didn't study them word by word. You just listened, and your brain picked up the pattern. Computers do something similar. They look at a bunch of examples and start to find patterns. Have you ever learned something just by seeing lots of examples? To learn, computers need something called training data. This is a big set of examples the computer studies over and over. The more training data it gets, the better it usually performs. Imagine giving a computer thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. Eventually, it figures out the difference on its own. What might happen if the training data is missing important examples? Behind the scenes, computers follow algorithms, step-by-step instructions for processing the data. From this process, they build what's called a model. That model can then make predictions or decisions about new information it has never seen before. It's kind of like your brain making an educated guess when you see something unfamiliar but similar to the things you've seen before. How is a model like your own brain making guesses? Machine learning is all about pattern recognition. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa learn to recognize words from thousands of voice samples. Streaming services like YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify use patterns in what you've watched or listened to so they can recommend something new. They don't know in the way humans do. They're just really good at spotting similarities. What patterns do you think Spotify or YouTube uses to recommend content? Machine learning is all around us. Self-driving cars learn to identify stop signs, pedestrians, and traffic lights. Doctors use it to help spot diseases in x-rays, and your email uses it to filter out spam. These are just a few of the powerful ways machines are learning to help us in everyday life. Which of these uses do you think affects your daily life the most? Let's go back to our compelling question. How can a machine learn without being taught step by step? The answer is that machines learn from examples. They study training data, follow algorithms, build models, and use pattern recognition. They are not told the exact rules. Instead, they figure them out by analyzing patterns in the data. So until next time, stay curious, stay focused, and as always, make today count.